If you're dealing with mild to moderate pain, like headaches, toothaches, or backaches, non-aspirin extra strength can help. It's also effective for reducing fever. You can take this medication as needed, but make sure to follow the recommended dosage instructions on the label. It's best to take it with a full glass of water, and try to avoid lying down right after taking it. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. When taking non-aspirin extra strength, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Be mindful of the amount of acetaminophen in different products and never take more than recommended. If giving this medication to a child, use a product specifically meant for children and use their weight to find the right dose. Shake suspensions well before each dose and always measure the liquid medication with the provided dose measuring spoon/dropper/syringe. Do not use a household spoon. For rapidly dissolving tablets, chew or allow to dissolve on the tongue, then swallow with or without water. For chewable tablets, chew thoroughly before swallowing. Do not crush or chew extended-release tablets, swallow them whole. Effervescent tablets should be dissolved in the recommended amount of water, then consumed. It's best to take pain medications at the first signs of pain. Do not take this medication for fever for more than 3 days unless directed by your doctor. For adults, do not take this product for pain for more than 10 days, 5 days in children, unless directed by your doctor. If the child has a sore throat, especially with high fever, headache, or nausea/vomiting, consult the doctor promptly. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you develop new symptoms, seek medical help right away. If you experience any unusual effects after taking non-aspirin extra strength, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's important to remember that your doctor has carefully weighed the benefits of this medication against the potential risks of side effects. While most people do not experience serious side effects, it's important to seek medical help if you notice any symptoms of a severe allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to reach out to your healthcare provider if you notice any other effects. And if you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Acetaminophen, the main ingredient in non-aspirin extra strength, can cause serious liver damage if taken in large amounts. Adults should not take more than 4,000 milligrams, 4 grams, of acetaminophen a day. People with liver problems and children should take less. It's important to check the labels on all your medications to make sure they don't contain acetaminophen, and ask your pharmacist if you're not sure. It's important to avoid drinking alcohol while taking non-aspirin extra strength, as daily alcohol use combined with acetaminophen can damage your liver. If you take too much acetaminophen and experience symptoms like nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, or yellowing of the eyes or skin, seek medical help right away. Before taking non-aspirin extra strength, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have liver disease or if you regularly use alcohol. If you're considering using the liquid, chewable, or dissolving/effervescent forms of this medication, it's important to note that they may contain sugar or aspartame. If you have diabetes or phenylketonuria, PKU, or if you need to limit these substances in your diet for any other reason, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before using these products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to consult your doctor before using non-aspirin extra strength. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with non-aspirin extra strength, as they can affect how this medication works and increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with this drug include ketoconazole and levoketoconazole. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. Be sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this drug. As for the best time to take this medication, it is recommended to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. And the daily dosage will depend on your medical condition and response to treatment. If someone has taken too much non-aspirin extra strength and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, you should contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, sweating, stomach/abdominal pain, extreme tiredness, yellowing eyes/skin, and dark urine. When it comes to pain relief, non-aspirin extra strength, which contains acetaminophen, is a good option. Unlike NSAIDs such as aspirin, ibuprofen, and naproxen, acetaminophen does not cause stomach and intestinal ulcers. However, it does not reduce swelling like NSAIDs do. It's important to consult your doctor to determine if this medication is the right choice for you. Non-aspirin extra strength can be taken for a variety of aches and pains, but it's important to follow the recommended dosage and timing for best results. If you are using this medication regularly and you happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing non-aspirin extra strength, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and always make sure to keep it out of the reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of any leftover medication, it's important to do so properly. Never flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, you should properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to dispose of it, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. Always make sure to follow these guidelines to ensure the safe and responsible disposal of your medication. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.